Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to identify how much use your dedicated video memory. Okay, if you are using a laptop with graphics card or you are using a desktop PC with graphics card, you can check that information. So I'm using here Windows 11 OS. So right click on your desktop, then select Show More option, and you can see option of NVIDIA control panel. And you must install NVIDIA driver for checking that. So click on NVIDIA control panel. After that, you can get this window. Okay, in this window, in left bottom side, you can see option of system information. Simply click on that system information. Okay, and you will get this window within seconds. So just scroll up, and you can see here is dedicated video memory is 16,384 MB, and it is GDDR6. Okay, and DDR6 supported RAM. So in this way, easily you can identify what is your dedicated video memory. And also you can see here system video memory is 0 MB, and the total available graphics memory is around 32,580 MB. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.